Hi parents. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how your teen can use Bluebook app for attempting SAT test. So what that can do is they can download the Bluebook application in their desktop in their device. Once they download it, they will have to sign in using their college board account. So they will have to enter whatever email ID they have. So let's say I'll be adding the email ID that I have on my college board account, and then we'll have to add the password for that. Okay. Once you enter that, you will have to submit it and you will be able to log in. Now see, once you log in here, you will be able to see different tabs like active test and past test. Likewise, for practice and prepare, you will be seeing active test and past test. The past tests are one which you have already attempted, while the active are one which will be which you can attempt. So here is a test preview, like how the test looks like. So you see here you can explore the Bluebook application. You can see how to use assistive technology. You can see how can we see different type of tests. So let's say if I'm going for SAT, I'll just select SAT from here and then a test will appear. Okay, so let it get load. Alright, so here you can see that the questions will appear like this. You can submit the questions. You can select the questions from here. You can directly jump on the any question by clicking on the more button. You can go on the assistive technology. Let's say if you want to convert speech to text, like that. So those features are also available. From here you can see you can cut the options which you think you are not sure of. Then if you think there are only two options, you can select either one, because there's no negative marking in the SAT exam. Alright, you can submit the responses for this particular math section, English section. Let's say once you are done with this, you will be able to switch to the different module, which is like math module. So that way you can and here the calculator and basic details informations are given, so you can use that. This is a Desmos calculator, so it's highly recommended to practice the Desmos calculator. Alright, so this is a preview how does Bluebook test works. Okay, so now I'll exit this particular exam. Now let's say you want to practice the Bluebook test. There are total 6 tests available on the Bluebook for SAT exam. You can select SAT practice test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anyone which you want to attempt. You can select it and then you can attempt this particular test. Once you attempt the test, you will be able to see the results. Okay, and this is how the results appear, like the past test, and by clicking on view my responses, you will be able to see the test result. Not only this, along with the test result, you will be able to see, let me sign in here as well to show you how the score report looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna sign in to show you about this score report. So once you attempt the test, you will get this score report, and we would recommend you to send us this score report so that we can send you the detailed analysis, which topics you need you are weak in and which topics you need help. Accordingly we can assess it. This is just a sample test. So let's say if we attempt this particular test, you can click on download score report to see this score. At the same time, you can click on all here and you can download this screen, and then you can send this as well to us. Once you send it, we'll send you the complete report about your weak areas, which topics you need help with, and we'll do the detailed analysis of it using our software, and then you will be able to practice. That way you can improve your SAT score at least by 100+ points. Thank you.